Many people don't know this, but if you need specialized medical treatment that is unavailable or difficult to access in your home country, Europe has a legal visa pathway that allows you to travel for treatment. This is called a Schengen Medical Visa, and it is designed for patients who need medical care in Europe, whether it's surgery, specialized consultation, rehabilitation, or urgent treatment. Today I'll explain the complete official process step by step using only government and hospital sources, so you understand exactly how this works. My name is Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. What is a Schengen Medical Visa? A Schengen Medical Visa is a short-stay visa that allows non-European Union nationals to enter a Schengen country for medical treatment. This visa normally allows a stay of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. This visa can be used for specialist consultation, surgery, therapy, diagnostic treatment, rehabilitation, urgent medical care, and follow-up medical procedures. Who needs it or can apply for it? You may need this visa if you require treatment in Europe. Your treatment is unavailable in your home country. You need specialized doctors or hospitals. You're from a country that requires a Schengen visa. Before anything else, check if your nationality requires a Schengen visa. Steps to take. Find the right hospital or clinic in Europe. The first major step is choosing your treatment destination. How to contact hospitals. Use only official hospital websites, international patient departments, government-recognized healthcare centers, embassy medical referral lists. Search for International Patients Department, Foreign Patients Unit, Outpatient, example, university hospitals, specialist clinics, public hospitals. Contact them, inform them about your medical condition, and request for medical appointment confirmation, treatment plan, cost estimate, doctor confirmation, expected treatment dates, invitation letter for the medical visa support, usually after making a deposit or full payment for your treatment. This document is extremely important because embassies will request proof of treatment. You usually need these documents: valid passport beyond your intended period of stay, completed Schengen visa application form, recent passport photographs, medical reports from your doctor, appointment letter from European hospital, medical reports from your doctor in your home country, treatment plan, proof of payment or deposit for treatment, proof of funds for your stay, accommodation proof if you are outpatient, return flight reservation, travel medical insurance, cover letter explaining your medical purpose. Travel insurance must cover emergency care, hospitalization, repatriation, minimum 30,000 euro coverage. The 30,000 euro isn't what you pay for the insurance, it's the minimum amount the policy covers for your medical expenses while traveling. Where to apply? Apply at the embassy or consulate of the country where you will receive treatment. If multiple countries are involved, apply where treatment happens or where you spend most of your time. Sometimes applications are processed through official visa centers. Book your appointment online or through the embassy or the official visa application centers. You should apply no earlier than 6 months before travel, at least 30 days before travel. You can request for a medical emergency appointments in some critical situations. Attend visa appointment. At your appointment, submit your documents, fingerprints, and visa fee. Visa fees: adults 90 euro, children 6 to 12 45 euro. Processing time: most applications are processed in around 15 calendar days. In complex cases, up to 45 days. Important tips: be honest about your medical condition. Submit genuine hospital letters. Ensure your funds are clear. Keep copies of all medical documents. Check embassy-specific requirements. If treatment is longer than 90 days, you may need a national long-stay medical visa instead of a short Schengen visa. For European Union citizens, if you are an European Union citizen, separate cross-border healthcare rules may apply. Public health. Medical treatment abroad is not only for luxury care. Sometimes it can mean access to life-changing or life-saving treatment. If your country cannot provide the care you need, it is important to know that legal medical pathways do exist. Always use official embassy, immigration, and hospital sources and avoid misinformation. Save this video so you can find it when needed and share it because someone may need this information one day. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you, do the same. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.